आगे से एग्जिट है।
ये बड़ा वाला तो हम लोग खरीदे हैं और छोटा था वो म्यूनसिपालिटी से लेना था।
मैडम अभी आपको सैनिटाइजर दिया ना उन्हें? हैं? दिया है? ये कितने दिन हो गया खरीदे? तीन रोज हो गया। कितने का खरीदा है?
ये 250
250 रुपए का। कितना ml है?
ये 500 ml।
और कितना परसेंट इसमें अल्कोहल है?
जी अभी तो
कुछ परसेंट देखता नहीं देखता कि कहाँ से खरीदते हैं इसको?
ये दवाई दुकान से।
दवाई दुकान से। ये सबको एक ही रसीद दिखाई दे रहा है।
आज भी है लगता है।
कल्याण मनी ये आनंद मनी का चला है।
कहाँ से?
आनंद मनी का
ये दुकान है कोई?
आज ही लाया क्या?
आज ही लाए।
खत्म मतलब आज ही लाया हम लोग
आज
ऐसे।
नहीं बड़ा छोटा था आज ही लाए।
खत्म हो गया सब लाए?
Social distancing maintain continuous. Number 11 sanitizer provide continuous.
आजकल सब्जी कौन ज्यादा खरीद रहा है सबसे ज्यादा?
सब्जी में सबसे ज्यादा खरीदारी
हाँ किस चीज का होगा?
करेला का होता है, भिंडी होता है।
करेला तो करेला कैसे मतलब कैसे देते हैं?
40 रुपये किलो।
तो छाटना अलाउड है
हाँ
अपने मर्जी से? हैं? कैसे छाटता है आदमी?
भिंडी निकालता है
मतलब ऐसे ही मैं अपना हाथ लगा के चालू हो जाऊँ?
कि लगा दो
लगा के बिना लगाए नहीं? कहाँ कहाँ रहने वाले कहाँ के हैं?
छपरा का
छपरा। बिहार के और लोग भी यहाँ पे?
है तो सब तो बिहार का है, सब मुजफ्फरपुर का है, मुजफ्फरपुर का है।
बिहार का ही लोग। कुछ लोग बाहर से यहाँ आकर के अटके हुए भी लोग हैं?
नहीं ऐसा
हैं? जो आप लोग तो परमानेंट लोग हैं पहले से हैं। ऐसा नहीं जो बाहर से आया हुआ हो अभी फंस गया हो?
नहीं ऐसा कोई नहीं।
अभी तो बारिश है इसलिए भीड़ नहीं होगी।
दुकानदार दोपहर हो गया ना, डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन हो रही
आप क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे? क्या देखते हैं आप?
जो ऑर्डर से जो टॉपिक करते हैं
हाँ।
उसकी वजह से एग्जिट करते हैं।
नहीं तो आपका क्या ड्यूटी है यहाँ?
वो एग्जिट
एग्जिट में क्या देखता है आदमी? क्या देखेगा?
एक्चुअली जो एंट्री वहाँ से वहाँ से टॉपिक करते हैं ना, यहाँ से निकल गए ना
निकलते यहाँ यहीं से निकल रहा है।
थोड़ी
hotels here. What about the tourists? Where are they? They are gone. When?
Some of them were after lockdown.
After lockdown, they went.
District administration, they entered. Others, they left.
What about the workers? What about the workers in
Workers,
the
most
hotel?
of them, they left after the lockdown.
For them, there is no relief camp.
No, we don't have relief camps here. Those who are needed, we are providing them, we are getting the list, and accordingly we are doing the inquiry.
So
and
no
giving-
tourists and no workers here.
How is it possible a place like Darjeeling, people come from all over the country, and when all modes of transportation are closed, how far they can go on their own?
They have gone, some of the vehicles were moving after Siliguri. So after Siliguri, they have gone.
But that was after lockdown. After 24. It was allowed.
Provided, they got permission from the administration, from police, and they were taken up to Siliguri.
So there are no tourists here. There are no tourists. All gone back.
So when we say around 50 people in quarantine centers, which quarantine centers are those?
Plains area, sir. It's in Pasigar, Korivali, and Naksalbari.
Market, market. बजार तपाईँले मिडियालाई भित्र
We'll do it after the visit.
Okay. Where are you planning to go now?
No, no. We have to go to this big bazaar.
Big Bazaar. Okay. Where will you be visiting? Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar. So you talk to us at Big Bazaar?
Right.
You are going to the quarantine center also? Yeah. So
We go to big bazaar now.
okay, sure. So we'll be there.
जल्दीबाजी नहीं, दूर रहिए और आराम से दूर रहिए.
Any animals that you've noticed during your visit to the hills?
What we noticed today, especially the vegetable market, we saw that they are making arrangements They are sanitizing the market. They are giving sanitizers to everybody who is going to purchase. And if this is the way it is happening, it's a good thing to be. It's a good practice to be doing it.
But what about the Reliance Smart area that you had gone there? You had some observation there?
In
You had
fact-
an observation there?
Yeah, I think the standalone shops, it should be opened. So we will speak to the district administration to know as to why the groceries are being sold inside the mall, be it this mall or be that Reliance Fresh Mart.
So what is the observation of you, the difference between the Siliguri, Jalpaiguri and Kalimpong and Darjeeling? Is it too much good on aspect of others area?
Darjeeling, what we saw was, especially in the, as I said, we can compare the vegetable markets of the three places. The vegetable market of this place is properly maintained. One did not see many people today being the rainy day. But otherwise, given the number of people who were there and the practices that they were following, it was a good practice to follow by others also.
And the,
We heard that you met the member of the Assembly MLA from Kalimpong recently. So are you meeting from Darjeeling and person also?
We are meeting anybody who is coming forward to meet us.
Oh, okay. So no one has come from the Darjeeling representative? person?
Not that we are aware of. No.
So what was your observation of the hospital prima facie?
The hospital, we spoke to the superintendent and he has told us that there is no suspect patient also who is coming to them now. And anybody who is coming to them with the fever symptoms, they are taking the random samples and sending it.
some of the MPs in North Bengal, they are house arrested, and they are saying that it is very complicated situation for that. Is there any chance to meet with them, or
Yeah, how would they meet you? If they are
They can talk to us. They can talk to us, send us a WhatsApp message. We will reply. We will get in touch with them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tea card. You know. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.